Ever wish that your backyard didn't come with neighbors who are watching your every move? Well, grilling out here is a different kind of peaceful. There's no one watching, no noise, better food, and yet better company. Privacy behind you and party in front of you. Storage. 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 Finally, there's enough storage to fit your life. At 475 Rocky Road, you get open field views, a perfect grilling patio, and space for everyone. Homes like this just don't last. You know what to do. Call me.